Hello, this is my pizza dough. I got flour, yeast, pinch of salt, olive oil, and pinch of sugar. I'm gonna finish the dough and let it set. After 45 minutes, this is what the dough looks like. I'm gonna finish spraying it all over the pan. Done spraying the dough, and now I'm gonna add the sauce, the cheese, and the olives. I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm gonna add the olives. What it looks like. Now we're gonna put it in the oven and see what the pizza looks like. This is the final product out of the oven. It took 20 minutes. I'm gonna cut into squares now. Here, I cut into squares and now I'm gonna eat this.